Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a simple system code setup in Trello with no power-ups, no automation, and no complicated integrations. Just a clean manual system that keeps your board organized and professional. If you manage deals, clients, projects, or properties inside Trello, this is going to make your workflow much clearer and easier to track. Make sure to stick around to the end because once you set this up, you'll be able to see all your stages instantly just by using the search bar. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple productivity tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to create a reference card. Go to your Trello board and click Add a Card in your first list. This is usually your to-do list, lead received list, or whatever column represents the beginning of your process. Name this card System Codes Guide. Once you've created it, open the card. In the description area, we're going to define our stage codes. These are short abbreviations that represent each phase of your workflow. For example, type lead equals lead received. Then on the next line, CNT equals contacted. Then LSA equals listing signed. MKT equals marketing. OFF equals offer. UC equals under contract. CLS equals closed. And EXP equals expired. You can customize these to match your own workflow, but keep them short and consistent. Under that, add your naming format. Type it exactly like this: open bracket code, close bracket, dash, open bracket property name, close bracket, dash, open bracket month year, close bracket. Then add an example underneath so you always remember how to format it. For example, lead-123 Main Street-0226. Once that's done, click Save. Now you have a permanent guide sitting on your board, so you or your team never forget the format. Now let's talk about how to actually use this system when creating cards. Whenever you add a new deal or project, don't just type the property name or client name by itself. Instead of writing something like 123 Main Street, follow the structure you just created. Start with the stage code. So if it's a new lead, you would write lead-123 Main Street-0226. That tells you three things immediately: the current stage, the name of the deal, and when it entered your system. As the deal progresses, you don't need to move it to a completely different naming system or rely on automation. You simply edit the card title. If you contacted them, change lead to CNT. If they sign, change it to LSA. If it goes under contract, update it to UC. That's it. It takes 2 seconds to rename the card, and your board stays extremely clean. Because the codes are at the beginning of the title, they're easy to scan visually, and they're even easier to search. Here's why this works so well. Trello search bar reads card titles instantly, so if you type lead into the search bar, you'll immediately see every active lead across your entire board. If you type UC, you'll see every deal that's under contract. This makes reporting, pipeline reviews, and weekly check-ins much faster. It also makes your board look structured and intentional instead of messy and inconsistent. And the best part is, you're not relying on any third-party tools or paid features. And that's how you create a simple Trello system code setup in just a few minutes. Set up your reference card once, follow the naming format every time, and update the code as the stage changes. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Trello and productivity tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.